своими глазами, ты будешь...
You want to go to a jail? That's where we're gonna
I
go.
wanna pee. I wanna pee.
Listen, you're gonna make this more difficult than it needs to be. Turn around. Turn around. Yes, I'm fucking serious. How about that?
I wanna pee. What are you doing? I wanna pee. I wanna pee right now. What are you doing?
Okay, you can stand up now.
Oh!
Stand up, stand up, stand up.
No.
Huh? No, your mommy's not being arrested. Your mommy's leaving with you.
Russian woman crashes her car, then completely loses it during a field sobriety test, and her 5-year-old daughter is watching everything.
Do me a favor. Put the car in park.
Me?
Yes, you. Car in park. Stand over there. Stand over here. Over here. Out of the way. Is this your car?
Yes.
Is that your kid?
No.
Who's your best friend? Her?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Do you have your license?
Yes.
Are you injured? Do you need fire rescue?
What?
Are you injured?
No.
No. What language do you speak?
Russian.
Russian. That is your best friend?
Yes.
And that is her car. That's her dog.
It's my car.
It's your
Yes.
car.
Yes,
Her
it's
dog.
my car. It's my best friend.
Okay. Do you remember what happened to you?
Of course.
Okay. Happened.
It's happened. I asked. It's happened.
No. That's not how this works. I'm asking you. Do you remember what happened to
Of
you?
course, everything.
You have been in an accident. No?
Explain and not understand.
Your vehicle.
I don't understand.
We're gonna get Russian translator. We're gonna try so you can understand. Yeah, because you're not understanding.
I'm sorry.
We already asked.
I speak Russian. I speak Russian very good.
Yeah,
What she mean? What she mean?
Okay, we're gonna get someone. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Can I speak with her?
No, you can't get in the car. You cannot get in the car.
Can I speak little bit?
You have your license, registration, insurance?
Yes.
Okay. Where is it?
Huh?
Where's your license? It's inside? And your registration,
I
insurance?
was
37203 on the 6th floor, 237-203 on the 6th floor.
getting married next
Okay.
month. I'm gonna go here. I got married.
Okay. Do you require a translator?
Yes.
Yeah?
No, I no need translator. I speak English.
Perfect English?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
I speak
Oh, okay.
English very good. If you need, you can call my husband and he can speak English with you. I can
Okay.
take you. My husband can speak English with you very well.
Do you remember where these
Of
marks
course, she's
happened?
my best friend.
Oh,
And I
okay.
say, if you need speak English, my husband can speak English with you right now.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's very well because it's really very well.
He's on her way. Okay, no problem.
I ask really, he can speak English with you very well. Well,
You wanted to turn off the
Okay,
vehicle.
guys.
Yeah. Okay, I did.
okay, maybe a little drunk because of course a little drunk.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
Relax.
I'm
You're
sorry.
falling all over the
I'm
place.
sorry. My best friend right now having have a green card.
Okay.
I'm super super happy about this.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
Yes.
yes, because she have a green card. Soon I have a green card.
Okay.
My best friend, my boyfriend also said, no, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Little bit drunk, of course.
Mhm.
I'm sorry. Of course.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
wrong. If you say it's not normal, okay.
No, you don't want to have it.
Okay. All right. Now just stand by, okay? We're going to get somebody who speaks Russian for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
A little bit wrong.
Possibly. November 6,
If your best friend have a green card, you will be
Yes,
like,
2179 is not.
Fuck yeah. Of course, fuck yeah.
Okay. And, ma'am, just wait inside the car, okay?
stop.
Wait inside the car. She can record all she wants. She can record. Stop opening the doors. You have a driver's license? Yes. In the car? Okay. No, stay there. Stay there. Where's your purse? In the car? Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, just take a deep breath. We're going to walk over to the sidewalk. Listen to me. We're going to walk over to the sidewalk, okay? Okay. Just be careful. I'm going to hold on to you for your safety, okay? We got to get her 13 and the kids 13. Do you have your ID?
Yes, I do.
Can I have your ID, please?
Yes.
Is that your daughter?
Yes.
How old is she?
She is 5.5.
She's 5, not 7.
No,
Okay.
not 7. No.
Okay. She should be in a car seat.
Well, we're not driving too far. We just was driving 1 mile away.
Doesn't matter. 1 mile away, and do you see this car? Were you drinking too?
No, I wasn't drinking. No. Not at
Can
all.
you stand up?
Yes, of
Exit the
course.
car for me.
Let me call you back, okay?
Huh? No, your mommy's not being arrested. Your mommy's leaving with you. Okay, you're okay. You can go to mommy. Just hang out right there, okay? Relax.
Relax.
Understand? Okay. Hello. No, it's okay. We're gonna do SFSTs right over there. Do you speak Russian, right?
Russian, of course.
Okay.
Я говорю по-русски. Да, я
Oh, perfect.
не говорю по-русски. По-русски, да. Я с Польши, я помогу тебе разговаривать со всем. Нет, вот Кира. Окей.
У меня все хорошо.
И я думаю, с ним все хорошо. Мы будем сделать тест. Давай тест.
Okay, we're gonna go on the sidewalk, okay?
Ask you.
Yeah, over there, it's level. Okay?
Твоя голова, ты не рушай головой.
You understand these instructions?
Ты
Okay.
понимаешь, что она тебе говорила?
Okay. So with your eyes and your eyes only, you're gonna follow the tip of my pen.
С твоими глазами ты будешь смотреть на это.
You're not gonna move your head, okay? You're not gonna move your head. Do you understand?
2109.
Okay. So the tip of my pen, all right? Look up, okay? 1,002, 1,003.
Yes, 2109 and 34873 North Lincoln
Don't move
Lane.
your head.
Ты не рушай головой.
At 1858 Mountain
Safe for her to do it?
1,003, 1,004. Okay, so I was checking for equal tracking, okay? And any resting nystagmus, all right? Just to make sure that your
Все
eyes
хорошо с
have
тобой?
movement, okay? You need any fire rescue, anything like that?
Тебе нужно врача?
You're good? Okay.
I want to be. Wait,
No, 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 no.
I want to be.
No, you can't.
Stop.
We're doing the test. Do you want to continue doing the test?
test. I want to pee. I want to pee. You cannot pee.
We're doing the test right now, okay?
Делаем тест.
You could pee after.
Okay.
Stand straight and still,
Right,
okay?
you have to
Don't be
stand.
leaning.
She's leaning.
Okay, come here. Stay right there. Right there. Perfect. Okay? Straight and still. Arms at your side like that. Okay? No.
Ruki здесь.
Like that.
Руки здесь.
Look, I like how I'm doing it. Hands to the side.
Руки.
Like that.
Ruki. She's not listening.
Okay, you could pee after. Alright?
Yeah.
Do you want to continue doing the test?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we gotta check for another. Look at my pen. Okay?
Тебе нужно посмотреть.
Okay? Look up. But don't You keep moving your head.
I wanna pee. I wanna pee. I wanna pee. I wanna pee.
You want to go to the jail? That's where we're gonna
I
go.
wanna pee. I wanna pee.
Listen, you're gonna make this
wanna
more
pee.
difficult than it needs to be. Turn
Are you
around. Turn around. Yes, I'm f***ing serious.
I
How about
wanna
that?
pee. I wanna pee. No. Yo, stop. I wanna pee.
Turn around. Turn
Are
around.
you f***ing serious? I wanna pee. I wanna pee. I wanna pee. I wanna pee.
Put her on the floor.
Are you? What are you doing? I wanna pee. I wanna pee right now. What are you doing? What are you doing? I wanna pee. I wanna pee right now. What are you doing?
Okay, you can stand up now.
Oh!
Stand up. Stand up.
No. Stop. Please, wait.
You're gonna make this more difficult than it actually needs to be. I got it. Sorry, her. I got it.
Baby, please. I'm Russian.
She's good.
Please.
Okay.
Please.
Masha.
I wanna sit down.
Sit down.
Masha, wake up, please.
Watch your hand.
No, stop.
Masha. Put your legs.
Get inside the car.
Masha, wake up, this video. What is this? That's so good.
You need to.
Катя, все хорошо, я позвонила мужу.
Stop interacting or you're going to end up. Okay?
No, he's coming. He's
Okay.
coming right now.
Stand
okay?
over here.
Yes, I'm standing
Stand
right
over here. And do not move from there.
Masha, wake up, video. Masha, wake up, video. Masha, wake up, video.
Stop kicking.
Masha, wake up, video. Masha,
I got a full face.
Masha, wake up, video. Masha, wake up, video. Masha, wake up, video. Masha.
Stay over there.
Can you talk to him?
No, stay over there right now.
This is her husband. Can you talk to him, please? He is American and he wants to
Yes,
talk.
now, unit by
Pues,
you, we'll tell you.
pues, talk to
She
him.
wants us to talk to the husband.
Yeah, no, he is
can
American
pick
and he
Personnel
wants to
unit
talk to
number
you. Okay?
15.
Yeah, you can pick her up at the TGK.
28th Street.
So they're here for night
Where?
directional facility.
Watch the girl. 23 and 9 unit by you have
We're not speaking to him. We're telling you, go with your daughter. You're leaving your daughter alone in the alley.
1188, you okay?
She came this morning, and then I think they go abroad, something like that, and she get back from.
Okay.
I tell her, you cannot drive like that. I want to take my stuff.
You followed her up here?
No. I asked somebody, watch out with her,
Okay.
and then they send me a picture that she hit a car. That's what I called.
Somebody that works here?
Yeah.
Who was that?
Miguel is downstairs.
Usted vio el carro, ¿correcto?
Sí,
Se la vio golpeando las paredes.
exacto. Inclusive la señora dijo que iba a manejarla de blanco y ella la bajó así prácticamente el pelo que pesar. Dijo, no, yo manejo.
Ok, Miguel.
Did you know that you can flame torture weeds instead of bending over to move them out today?
Relax. Calm down. Hello, ma'am. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Gira? Okay. Ma'am, just calm down a second. Okay, before we can do anything, you need to calm down, okay? You understand? Okay, listen, ma'am. Right now, you're under arrest, okay? You understand that, right? Okay, I cannot open the door yet. You're too wound up. We need to breathe a little bit, okay? In Sunny Isles, Miami Beach, city of Miami. Are you visiting?
No, I live here.
You live in Miami?
Yes.
What part of Miami? Hello, Arena. What part of Miami?
You piece of shit.
Me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Why?
Because
Why?
I'm living here.
You live
what
here.
What you're doing is
You're
like
drinking.
You piece of shit. I'm living here.
Everybody lives here. We
No,
have to
you're
make
not
sure that
living
we
here.
have to make sure everybody's safe.
I'm safe. What you're doing?
Well, you're safe.
Is not
No, what you're
safe.
doing is not safe. Drinking and driving is not safe.
I don't drinking and driving. I don't do anything wrong.
You didn't do anything wrong.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Arena. I'm gonna work on calling your husband, okay? But what I need you to do is calm down.
No, I wanna go help you.
Hey, the fire rescue here is to help you.
Please help me, I don't yes, please help me, please.
Hi, what's your name?
They're here to help you out. Where's your dress? Let's go. No.
Your shoes.
I didn't trust you. Not touch me.
Oh,
I don't trust me.
I got you. No, this way.
Not touch me.
Okay, go.
So, where is my phone? No, show me my phone. Show me my phone. Can I call my best friend? Show me my phone.
Can you take a seat here, please?
No, my phone.
You gotta take a seat here.
Okay. Where is my phone?
I'm gonna show it to you, but
Okay.
take a seat, please.
Where is my phone?
Don't hurt it. Don't hurt it.
Nothing.
No,
Take a seat here.
No. Where is my
Have
phone?
a seat. You're making me angry.
Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Where is? Okay, where do you go?
Yeah, we're gonna go so that you can call your boyfriend. So you gotta wait. We gotta take you somewhere else.
You,
Okay?
no, but where do you take me?
We're gonna take you. We are gonna take you. Okay?
Where is?
What do you mean where?
No, where do you take me?
What's to jail?
What does it mean to?
You're gonna talk to your boyfriend over there. That's
Yeah.
what you want, right?
Yes, I want
Okay, so we're gonna go.
I want to call my boyfriend right now.
We will. We have to
No.
take you to the facility and then
Okay,
we go,
okay.
okay? When we get over there, they're gonna take off the handcuffs
Okay.
and then you're gonna be able to call your boyfriend, okay? Where's the earring? Okay. I'm gonna get it from you, okay? You can't take it off. Can we take them off?
Just hold on. We're gonna hold on to this one. Okay?
We're gonna put it in a bag, okay?
Oh, no,
You're
please.
gonna take it with you. Don't worry.
We're gonna take it with you.
No. You mean?
Yeah,
This
just hold on.
is
Okay.
very expensive.
No, we're
No,
gonna.
is this very expensive?
Yeah, but you can't have it on you right now. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we'll put it in
Yeah.
a bag, okay? It's
At
just
least
one
They're gonna
earring.
make her take off the other one.
Yeah. Just one earring.
Yeah.
Kilo 2105, just be advised.
Come here. Let me check.
Where is my earrings?
In your purse.
Yeah, that's it.
Walk in.
After several minutes of resistance and emotional breakdown, officers finally place her under arrest for DUI. Even while being handcuffed, she continues crying and asking for her phone so she can call her husband. A difficult and emotional arrest caught on Bodycam.
This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt any actions shown.